Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belekar from Tips and Tricks by AMB welcomes you to my channel. Before starting with today's presentation, let's me ask you some questions. How will you come to know that each tablet we manufacture contains same quantity of drug? If you want to know answers of this question, don't skip any portion of this presentation. But before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In last presentation, we had discussed non-official test of evaluation of tablets. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about evaluation of tablets official test. After going through this presentation, the learner will be able to evaluate quality of tablets, perform various official evaluation tests of tablets like uniformity of weight and uniformity of active ingredient. Already we discussed that after manufacturing or during manufacturing of tablets, tablets are evaluated for quality control test to check and maintain quality of the tablets. We also discussed that there are two types of evaluation test for tablets as official evaluation test and non-official evaluation test. Content uniformity of active ingredient in tablets, uniformity of weight, disintegration test for tablets, dissolution test of tablets are official tests. Shape of tablets, appearance of the tablets, mechanical strength of the tablets like hardness test and friability test are non-official tests. In this presentation, we are going to discuss some official evaluation tests of tablets like uniformity of weight and uniformity of content. Let's discuss uniformity of weight first. It is expected that every tablet in a batch should be uniform in weight. That is, it should have same weight. But when we are manufacturing the tablets in large scale, it is not possible to get same weight of each tablet. Some variation in the individual weight of tablet is liable to occur. Hence, a little variation is allowed in the weight of tablet by pharmacopoeia. Now let's see how this test is performed. Take 20 tablets and weigh individually. Record the individual weight. Use only uncoated tablets as coating may vary the weight of the tablet. Calculate average weight by using formula as average weight is equal to total of weights of 20 tablets divided by 20. Tablet passes the test if not more than 2 tablets falls outside the percentage deviation specified in the given table. Let's discuss with an example. Suppose average weight of 20 tablets is 50 milligram. In this case, percentage deviation allowed is 10%. 10% of 50 mg means 5 mg. So the minimum tablet weight allowed is 50 minus 5 is equal to 45 mg and maximum tablet weight allowed is 50 plus 5 that is 55 mg. The weight of tablets should be between 45 mg and 55 mg. Tablets passes the test if all the tablets have weight between minimum allowed and maximum allowed weight, and if not so, maximum of 2 tablets have weight less than 45 mg and or weight more than 55 mg. Let's discuss another example. Suppose average weight of 20 tablets is 100 mg. In this case, percentage deviation allowed is 7.5%. 7.5% of 100 mg means 7.5 mg. So the minimum tablet weight allowed is 100 minus 7.5, that is 92.5 mg, and maximum tablet weight allowed is 100 plus 7.5, that is 107.5 mg. Thus weight of each tablet should be between 92.5 mg and 107.5 mg. Tablets passes the test if all the tablets have weight between minimum allowed and maximum allowed weight, and if not so, maximum of two tablets have weight less than 92.5 mg and or weight more than 107.5 mg. If number of tablets are less, then instead of 20 tablets, 10 tablets can be used for the test. In this case, tablet passes the test if not more than one tablet falls outside the percentage deviation specified in the table. Let's see when the test fails. Test fails if more than 2 in case of 20 tablets and more than 1 in case of 10 tablets falls outside the specified deviation, that is minimum or maximum allowed weight. But in both the cases, tablet fails the test if more than one tablet exceeds the average weight by more than twice the deviation specified in the table. Next official evaluation test is uniformity of active ingredient. The quantity of drug administered plays a very important role in efficacy of the drug. When drug is administered repeatedly, it should be administered in same quantity. Hence, it is necessary to check that each tablet contains same quantity of drug. Thus, uniformity of active ingredient test is done to check whether all the tablets contain same quantity of active ingredient or medicament or drug as stated in the monograph. Let's see how this test is performed. Take 20 tablets or number of tablets specified in the monograph. Dissolve the tablets in specified volume of solvent as specified in monograph individually. Then do assay as per procedure given in the monograph and find the concentration of drug in each tablet. The test passes if result of 20 tablets lies in the range of the content as specified in individual monograph. Generally, it is 90% to 110%. Let's discuss this with an example. A batch of tablets with concentration or quantity of drug present in a tablet is 500 mg and range of the content specified in the monograph is 90% to 110%. Then minimum concentration that should be present in these tablets will be 90% of 500 mg, that is 450 mg, and maximum concentration that should be present in these tablets will be 110% of 500 mg, that is 550 mg. No tablet should have concentration outside this margin, that is less than 450 mg and more than 550 mg. If number of tablets are less and we are unable to obtain 20 tablets for the test, then smaller number of tablets, which must not be less than 5 tablets, can be used for the test. In such cases, a relaxation is given to the limit specified in individual monograph as per given in the table. Let me elaborate it. Suppose tablets under test contain 100 mg of drug. Limit specified in monograph is 90 to 110%. And we have smaller number of tablets and can take 15 tablets for the test. Then relaxation of 0.2 from lower limit and 0.3 from upper limit is allowed. 90% of 100 mg is 90. 0.2 can be subtracted from 90, that is 90 minus 0.2 is equal to 89.8 mg. As we take smaller number of tablets instead of 90 mg, minimum 89.8 mg concentration of drug can be allowed in the tablet. Similarly, 110% of 100 mg is 110 mg. 0.3 can be added to this upper limit, that is 110.3 mg. As we take a smaller number of tablets instead of 110 mg, maximum 110.3 mg concentration of drug can be allowed in the tablet. Let's discuss another example. Suppose tablets under test contain 200 mg of drug and limit specified in monograph is 90 to 110%, and we have a smaller number of tablets and can take only 5 tablets for the test. Then relaxation of 1.2 from lower limit and 1.5 from upper limit is allowed. 90% of 200 mg is 180 mg. 1.2 mg can be subtracted from 180, that is 180 minus 1.2 is equal to 178.8 mg. As we take a smaller number of tablets instead of 180 mg, minimum 178.8 mg concentration of drug can be allowed in the tablet. Similarly, 110% of 200 mg is 220 mg. 1.5 can be added to this upper limit, that is 221.5 mg. As we take a smaller number of tablets instead of 220 mg, maximum of 221.5 mg concentration of drug can be allowed in the tablet. This relaxation is applied when stated limits are between 90 to 110% only. If stated limit is less than 90% and more than 110%, proportionally larger relaxation or allowances should be made. Next official evaluation test for tablets, that is dissolution test and disintegration test, we will discuss in a separate presentation. Now it's time to summarize today's session. We discussed official evaluation test for tablets like uniformity of weight and uniformity of active ingredient. We discussed how these tests are carried out, what are the limits accepted for these tests, and what relaxation can be accepted if number of tablets are less for the test. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all further videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.